Please stay tuned as I demonstrate how to make this delicious turkey sausage and okra. Oh, hi there everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Let me start by welcoming my daughter Danielle to my channel. She is behind the camera. Let me also welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for making my channel a part of your viewing pleasure. Now, family and friends, as you can see from the title, I am doing sausage and okra. So guys, I've sliced my sausage diagonally and I've added them in 2 tablespoons of oil, guys, and I'm just gonna fry them up nicely. Now guys, as you can see, I have all my vegetables chopped, ready, prepared, guys, and this is a quick, easy recipe that you can try at home. Family and friends, as you can see, I have some dumpling, plantains, and potatoes, guys. This is my side that will go with the meal. Now, guys, my sausages are all done. I remove them from the oil, guys, and I will use the same oil. Now, in that pot, guys, I've added some onions, I've added some green scallion, I've added some ginger, guys, and of course, my garlic and half of the tomatoes. I stir this in nicely, guys, and then after that, my chopped okra. Now, guys, all I'm doing is to simply stir this in to give it flavor, guys. As you can see, it smells good, guys, and I can't wait to dig in good. Now, guys, as you can see, now I'm adding to that a cup of vegetable stock, guys. You can use whatever stock you want to use, and then I'm gonna season it up nicely. Again, the choice of seasoning is all up to you, guys. Do it and make it your own. I'm gonna cover this for about 5 minutes, guys, and then I will allow my okras to cook. Now, once again, guys, I invite you to leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. Of course, turn on your post notification, guys, and of course, share my channel with your friends and invite them to subscribe. After 5 minutes, guys, I've added to that the rest of my season. That's my onions, my tomato, guys, my bell peppers, and then I add to that some thyme leaves, guys. Boy, this just smell good. May I tell you, this is a wonderful meal idea. You can do it with your kids. You can do it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for whatever you so desire. Next, guys, I've added to that some butter, guys. Allow it to simmer down. Yeah, it is all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next week, guys. Love you. Mwah. I'll see you next week.